Ollama is my favorite AI engine because it simplifies most of the complicated configuration around LLMs. It will load and unload automatically the model from your memory. It will even detect and decide how many layers to upload to the GPU if you have one. So the system will always run the model to the best of its abilities. You just need to go to the Ollama library, select a model, copy the name, and if you pair it up with the Ollama Web UI, you can just go to Settings and paste a model. And if you click here, it will download it and configure it to use it according to your computer configuration. So today I'm going to show you how to install it all. You just need a Windows 11 or Ubuntu computer, and optionally but recommended, an NVIDIA GPU. And if you're ready, let's go! To get this working in Windows, we need WSL. The easiest way to get it is going to the Microsoft Store. Here, look for Linux. Select Windows Subsystem for Linux. And here, click on Install. After it installs, you need to reboot your computer. And then go to the Microsoft Store and look for Ubuntu. We are going to use Ubuntu 22.04. For this, just click on it. And then just click on Install. After it's finished, just click on Open. And after the configuration is finished, you get to the Linux terminal. You need to select a username and a password. I know that this might look challenging, but you only need to do this once. And this should be mostly copy and paste some code. From this part on is the same for Windows and Ubuntu. So first, we are going to install Docker. For this, just click here. And we are going to copy and paste the code on the Linux terminal one by one. If you see this message, it's fine, just let the script do its job. After it's finished, just copy the next command. And if everything worked until this point, you should be looking at something like this. 88% of you that are watching me are not subscribed to the channel. So just take a moment to fix that and click the subscribe button. Now comes the GPU specific part. If you don't have a GPU, you can just jump to the next part. And now go back to my website, and here go to activate GPU Compatibility. Here you can just copy and paste the whole code. And then just hit enter. After it's finished, go back to my website and copy the configuration part. This we are going to copy one by one. And now, after it's finished, just go back to my website. To test it, we just need to run the last code. If it looks like this, that means that we can move on to the installation process. For this, go back to my website, and here, click on Installation. Here, if you're only going to use the CPU, you can use this command. And if you want to enable GPU support, just copy this one. Then, just go back to the terminal, and paste it. And now, we just need to execute the last command. It will automatically download and configure the last version of Ollama and Ollama Web UI for you to use. And that's it. If you go to my website, you can open Ollama Web UI clicking on this link. And that's it. And if in the future you want to update both to the last version, you just need to execute this code. It will automatically pull the last version and set it up for you. And now, to use the Ollama Web UI, just click on this link. And first, we need to create an account. The first account is going to be your admin account. Just give it a name and enter your email and password. And then just click on Create Account. And that's it. Now you just need to go to the model that you want to use on the Ollama library. Here, just copy the name. And then go back to Ollama Web UI, click on the gear. And here, if you click on Models, you can paste the name here. If you want a special tag, just go to Tags and copy the name of the specific tag that you want to use. And then just paste it. And now just click on the green button. If nothing happens, don't worry. Just open the Task Manager, and here if you go to Performance and check your internet connection, you can verify that the model is downloading. And once it's finished, the UI is going to update. I swear that this didn't happen the last time I used it, so this is probably going to be fixed on a new version. And now to use your model, just click on the X, and here select the model from the drop down, and you can use one of the suggested questions. If you're using your CPU or your GPU, you can check on the Task Manager to see that the memory has been allocated. And that's it. And from now on, Ollama is going to take care of everything. Be sure to subscribe if you want to know how to use this with Home Assistant. And that's not it. If you go back to my website, here you can go to the OllamaHub. This is a community-driven hub for prompts and model files. And now, let's try to use it. For this, just click on it. You can check here what model it is based on. And it doesn't matter if you have it or not. You just have to click Get. And for this, you need an account. For this, just click on Get Started. And here you can create an account. Once you're logged in, just click on it. And now just click on Get. Then go back to the Ollama Web UI. And here we need to copy the URL. For this, just click here and just copy and paste it here. Then just click on Import Web UI. Here you can modify the base model if you want, or you can just leave it if you want Ollama to download it automatically. Then just scroll down and just click on Save and Create. What this is going to do is check if you have the base model, and if not, it's going to start downloading the model for you. You can check that on your internet connection. Once it's finished, it's going to appear like this, and it's ready to be used. For this, just go to New Chat, and you can select the model from the drop-down menu. You can use the model file, or you can use the base model. And then, if I click on one of the suggested options, it's going to load the model and answer to my query. This way, you can create a personality for one of the models and fit that into other service, like Home Assistant. The only limitation that this has on Windows is that you need to keep one Ubuntu terminal open for it to keep working. Otherwise, Windows will turn off Ubuntu eventually. And you can only use it on the same PC you installed it, since Windows doesn't expose the ports of WSL to other devices by default. There is a way around it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how. And now yes, that's it. If you like my work, please consider joining the channel or becoming a patron. Either way, I will be eternally thankful. Your support really means a lot, and is the only way that I can keep running the channel. So thank you for all your contributions, and a special thank you to Flip. If you can't help me like that, don't worry. Just remember to give a video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!